He is a ruthless killer. It's the size of a grain of rice, but very good at circling and sneaking around. Assassination method. He is the female jumping bead. Good at making widows. As for why he loves making widows, it's a long story. I'll cut this short. In the dangerous jungle, Sidhu just succeeded in a sneak attack. After a full meal, hidden merits and fame. Walking cautiously among dead leaves and branches. Prepare for avenue recovery. It's halfway through. A mysterious creature appeared on his face. Su Huang disappeared after one shot. The molested porcelain beads are ready to explore. The mysterious creature that disappeared has reappeared. And we started playing around. Before the female is completely impatient. A new prototype. It turned out to be a single male jumping bead of autumn lotus root. To attract the attention of the female pig, he played the lure of the Volfagai. Facing the female pig, he mustered his courage. Be careful. Hands up. Show no malice. I just want to applaud you for love once. There's a reason why bears and pigs are so cautious. Because female pigs only mate once in their lifetime. If the female pig he met already mated, they will eat themselves without hesitation. To fall in love, he's gambling with his life. Bet this female has never been shot by a bear pig. Fortunately, he made the right bet. The female doesn't choose to eat it. He wiped his sweat, turned around and followed the female